at some point in your lock journey, or you will get there, is when there is so much new hair underneath your locks that no amount of retwisting is going to make it stay. That's where interlocking comes into play, guys. Hi guys, it's Miss Gina and I'm back. And I'm here today to talk about the 3 benefits of interlocking your locks. Let's dive right on in. You guys, one of the things I used to hear from my clients as a loctician is like, Miss Gina, I'm having trouble with my retwist staying in. If I take my hair out of the style and I decide to shampoo it, it just comes back loose. I don't know what to do. Really at this point, and I'm sure you've all been there at some point in your lock journey, or you will get there, is when there is so much new hair underneath your locks that no amount of retwisting is going to make it stay. That's where interlocking comes into play, guys. I often get asked, Miss Gina, how is it that you can just wear your locks down? I try to shake my locks and they don't even move. They just kind of stand there. New growth, guys. Your hair is never going to grow out of your scalp in a lock, so that hair, as it grows out, will need to be interlocked. Okay, now that's the first benefit. You're going to be able to actually have it interlocked and be able to wear it down until it grows back out from the roots. Okay, the second benefit, I'm going to have to take my time with this because this is super big, guys. Now the second benefit of interlocking your locks is to stop them from popping. Yeah, believe it or not, guys, like your locks actually do not have to grow and then pop off. That's not really where we're going. Listen, in Miss Gina's experiences as a loctician, guys, I saw people, coming in on referrals, Miss Gina, not my regular customers, but these were people that didn't understand the growth pattern of hair. And like I said in the first benefit, your hair does not grow out of your scalp in a lock. It grows out loose. So now you got all this loose hair at the base. This hair is also to strengthen your roots. Yes, when your locks are interlocked correctly and the new hair that grows at the bottom of your lock, at the scalp, at the base of your lock, at the root, guys, all that loose hair, yes, all that can actually be interlocked to provide strength to the root when your interlocking is done correctly. Believe it or not, you can repair your root. It honestly, guys, interlocking is absolutely beneficial. So that's going to be number 2 for you. It absolutely strengthens the roots of your locks to prevent them from popping. And the third thing is this. A very special benefit about interlocking. Now, as you see, you're able to actually shampoo your hair on a weekly basis after having it interlocked. And you can just wear it loose. You don't even have to have it styled. Believe it or not, yeah, that can really happen. And guys, I'm gonna leave you with this pro tip. This interlocking has to be done with your hands only, not with a latch, a hook, or a crochet needle. Please, guys. That's going to make your hair frizz and eventually lead to your roots of your locks being very thin. So if you're experiencing this, like right now, put it down, leave it alone. Interlocking should only be done by hand. Now, Miss Gina's got you covered, guys. I know you want to learn how to do this to save your locks. So I'm going to show you the correct way to do this. Click the link below to gain access to my interlocking digital class. This class will show you Miss Gina's amazing, unique technique, which will not only strengthen your lock roots, but help you to save your locks from thinning, also enable you to do this yourself without a latch or hook. It is 50% off until the end of the month, guys. Until the end of April, you get 50% off my digital interlocking class, which does not include a latch. It's all done by hand. And guess what, guys? So that you can have the products you need, my digital interlocking class also comes with a free, yes guys, it's all free, and it's a lock care travel kit Honestly, guys, I don't leave home without mine. It gives you all the products that you're going to need during your lock journey. It's a great way to introduce your hair to some amazing vegan plant-based lock products, guys. Get yours now. So that's it. Until next time, be well.